Okay, hi guys, thanks for tuning in. I've just started to make this video. I've just been out and flying the Hubsan. That is that. There's a new bag, everything tucked in. Definitely think about buying one of these guys. It's just a hard case, and I've done a video shortly of it, using it, but it works really nice. Everything fits in, but it's not about that. It's about, I've just been flying it literally 10 minutes ago, and I've just been. So this is going to be about batteries. So what's the problem is, I got this from Banggood. Now can anybody spot which is what I think is 3 fakes and 1 original one? Okay, they all look pretty good. I know it's hard to do from that distance. Just move them over a sec so you can see a bit more. That looks okay. So this one right here is the original Hubsan. This one came inside the machine, inside of the 501S. Just a black battery. Yeah. Got these 3 yesterday, and I thought, right, I'm waiting for a balance lead so I can charge them all at the same time. So not a balance lead, or like a power adapter, so I can plug all of these in and charge them off a decent balance charger rather than that crappy little thing what comes with it. So I charged one of them up. I can't remember which one it was. It wasn't that one. I think it was this one. Yeah. So it was this one. I charged it up, and then when I went to go and put it in, there's a problem. So I'll just show you. I'll just get this out. I've also done the mod so you can have the cables sticking out. Get it on the ground, plug it in, leave it rather than fiddling around. I just use some side cutters, if you can see. Just use some side cutters and just nipped it around, and then a file. And it just means when you close it up, you get this type of thing, and the battery's coming out. Put it on the floor, plug it in. Just gives it a better setup rather than fiddling around while it's trying to do its calibration for the gyros. Okay, so there's the original Hubsan. Yeah, if it goes in that way. There ain't much space on these things anyways. You can see there's a little bit of space. And a little bit up and down. Probably a couple of millimeters. But it's nice and snug to allow for if it expands or starts to whatever anyway. And it goes in just with a very light push and not any, I would say very minimal resistance. That's just the cable there, but you shouldn't have to force it in, and it comes out pretty easy. Yeah, in fact it would probably fall out if you give it a shake. So that's the original Hubsan. Brilliant, fine, works great. Pick any one, I'll pick that one. Yeah, same thing. Oh, one other thing before I go. Have you noticed, if anyone can tell me, look at the length of the cables, the power cables. This one's like twice as long, which I don't think Hubsan would do that, because that one's working. Why would you change it? Why would you make it? So I'm thinking these are phonies, these are copies, but these are from Banggood. So if anyone's had the same thing, I'd really like to know. So pop it in and see. So I charge it up and I say, yeah, I'll have a little fly, see if the battery's any good, make sure they're all working. Push it in, and it just stops there, literally, and I can't get it in. If I pushed any harder than that, I'm going to dent this protection here, and also you can see how tight it is. There's the same amount of movement that way and that way, but when you get to the ends, they flare out. If you can see that. So you've got about 3 millimeters. Is that visible? Can't see. There. And it's solid. It's not like as if I can bend it. You're going to break it if you try and push these in. I don't want to do that. If you do force it in, guys, I wouldn't do it. But if you do, it's going to get caught on this lip, and you won't get it back out. I mean, you're going to have to take it apart to get it out, which is no good to anybody, especially if you go flying. Try another one. So we've tried that one. So yeah, put that on the road. Try this one. Some are actually worse than others. Yeah, that way. Now this one up and down there's no movement. That one's even worse. And this here is solid there, you can see. There's no chance of getting that round there without actually damaging that. It's just a waste of time. The only thing these are going to be good for now is to flying from the bottom, taping it to the bottom, taping to the bottom of there and flying there. But I didn't pay for that. I paid for batteries to go inside. So that's another story. So there's that one. I already made myself a video for Banggood technical time. There's another one, and this one is not even shaped like a rectangle. You can see it's like they've taped it up inside, and the two cells are all over the place. Loads of space that way, bit of space up and down, and it just catches on there again. Can you see? That might be a better angle. Yeah. It might look better. There you go. If you look like at this corner where that finger is just there, that is no way. It's like I would say a good millimetre either side, maybe 2 millimeters, 1.5 either side, 2 millimeters. It's just got no chance. That's solid now. Ooh, nah, I wouldn't dare. So, let's pop this out the road. So guys, if anybody knows anything or they've been through the same experience, I'd really like to hear about it, because I'm going to contact Banggood. Now, I've never had any problems with Banggood at all. I've had faulty goods. Products have been dodgy, and they've sorted it out, no problem at all, and that's why I go back to Banggood. I can only go by what I've seen, and I've had horror stories, but I've had no problems at all. So I'm hoping that this is not going to be the first time I have problems, because they can have them back for all I care. I mean, or give me a discount or something, but I want to put them on the inside. I don't want to fly from the outside. Anyway guys, oh yeah, one other thing what I have noticed, I don't think you'll pick it up on camera, but you can see that bit sticking out there. Oops. It's just like, it's nothing, and that's the original Hubsan, that one. So there's the original Hubsan, nice and square. These have got this stupid end sticking out. Yeah, definitely not Hubsans them. If they have, the quality's gone right down. And also the length of that one, it's about the same. But the stickers, tell me if I'm wrong, if you can see. I think these look the same. This one's bigger and that's smaller. Would they do that? Have you had any experience with that? I can't see these fonts, they look the same. To me anyway. And on the back, I can't see a great deal of difference. So if they are copies, they're pretty good. The writing looks equally as tiny. Ah, there you go. Made in China is different. Made in China. See that? It might be legitimate, they might be just start to sell crap, I don't know. I don't see why. I mean, how can they won't fit in their machine? Anyway, I don't want to drag this video out too long. But I was really looking forward to go flying with these, and the 4 should do us. So I'll have to fly with them all on the outside. What I might do, I might design a clamp, a little plastic clamp, 3D printed, where I can just clamp clamp it around this way and have a space to just clamp, obviously that way, just clamp it on rather than putting tape on. That way it's a bit protected, and it's easy to take them on rather than taking the tape off, which is a pain. So I might do that, and if I do, I'll knock a video for that and show you guys who's got printers, or see if it works. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it useful. If you do, please like or subscribe. I really appreciate it guys. Thanks a lot.